Hello friends and welcome to this video as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a tree map visual. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. So a tree map helps you to look at relationships and patterns between two or more variables represented in a hierarchical data structure. It's best used when you have several categories and subcategories and you want to look at them, and it also gives you the ability to drill down on your data. So let's see how we can create it. If you come over to the visualization pane, you can just select TREEMAP and we cross over to the data pane. We're interested in looking at the speed of answer, and for this we want the average speed of answer, so let's change this to average. Next, the category we want to look at is the agent, and then we also want to look at topics covered by these agents. So here you're having category, details, values. We can switch this if you're interested in doing that, because right now I do not like the way this is looking and I want it to be sort of a hierarchical kind of arrangement. So I can just drag this and bring it under here, so that we now have the agents and then the topic. So if we want to drill down on this, you can just turn on the drill down button. Once it is turned on, say we want to look at Joe. So we have Joe, and now you can see the different topics that were covered by Joe, as well as the average speed of answer in seconds. If you want to have the averages displayed, we can now cross over to Format Your Visual, and under Format Your Visual, you can turn on data labels, and now you have them displayed. We can make modifications to that value. We can make it bold. We can adjust the size. We can add the legend if we want it there, but it's not necessary really because the labels are already there. Okay, you can make adjustments to the colors if you're interested in doing that from here. And if you want to go back to the other level, you just drill up. You can choose someone else gem and you also see the values. Now you look at admin support, then you can drill up again. We can make modification to our title. Let's go to general. And under title, we want to make that bold. We can adjust the size of this visual, make it clearer. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.